Sharing how to make these paper doily snowflakes. These are incredibly easy to make and turn out so pretty. I've made quite a few different paper star crafts in the past, and this is similar to those, maybe the easiest one I've done so far. You'll need paper doilies, I linked the ones I used below, and a glue stick. That's all you'll need for making the snowflakes. To hang mine, I used fishing line. I used 6 doilies to make one snowflake. I did a few using 7 doilies, and they have a slightly fuller look. You can see those at the end of the video hanging on the wood cabinet. Fold the doily in half, open it back up, and fold in half again, but the opposite way. Open the doily back up again. This is creating guides you'll use to make the other folds easier. Fold each side of the circle towards the center, lining it up with the center line. Then fold the whole doily in half. Open it back up and glue along the edges of the circle. Fold it back in half and press together. This creates a little pocket. You'll want to open it a little and make sure the center edges are glued together but not glued to the outside. And then you'll just repeat this process with the other doilies. Once you have the 6 pockets created, you'll start gluing those together in a stack. Glue along the bottom and up the center in a T shape. Continue until you have all 6 glued together. Then you're going to gently open the doily. I like to go through first and make sure the glue isn't sticking between the layers. Fan the snowflake open, making sure that it opens fine. Then you're going to add glue to one side and then fan it open again and stick the ends together. Then I just go through and adjust as needed, either pressing ends together or gently pulling in sections where the glue seeped through the doily holes. I made a few different sizes. The doilies linked below come with different size options. If you're wanting to save the snowflakes from year to year, you can use a stapler instead of glue when you put the last section together. Sometimes the snowflakes don't look the best right away. They need a bit of adjustment. You just need to be careful with the pulling, as the lacy part of the doily can tear easily, which did happen on a couple of mine. But adjusting it does make a difference, and you can get it to look a lot better. To hang mine, I just used fishing line. I thread it through one of the holes in the doily and make a loop however long I need, and then just tie that off. And if you're wondering about getting the staples out, I just used a staple remover to get mine out. You just have to be gentle while doing it, since the doilies are thin and can tear easily. But it worked fine and folds flat to store. I love how pretty and delicate these look, and that they are so easy to make. And they look really nice hanging in windows as well.